Chapter 8: Rocks, Minerals and Fossil Fuels. Introduction. Earth is the only planet on which life exists. It provides us with land to live and soil to grow crops. But under the layer of soil lies rocks, minerals, metals and fossil. Rocks. The earth is composed of rocks. Rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances with fixed composition. A rock may contain one or more minerals. Rocks are of three types according to their formation. 1. Igneous rocks. 2. Sedimentary rocks. 3. Metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. The word igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, that means fire. Igneous rocks form the base of all landforms like plains, hills and also of ocean beds. Minerals in hot liquid state are called magma and are found deep inside the earth. When magma moves towards Earth's surface, it cools and solidifies, it hardens to form igneous rocks. The types of igneous rock formed depends upon the kind of minerals present in the lava. Some common examples of igneous rocks are 1. Granite. Most mountains are made of granite. It cools very slowly and is very hard. Granite is very beautiful and shines in the sunlight. It contains quartz, feldspar and mica. It is used to make buildings, statues and staircases. 2. Basalt. Basalt is an igneous rock with a glassy appearance. It is formed by the cooling of lava on the Earth's surface. It is dense and dark and is used mainly in construction of roads. 3. Obsidian. Obsidian is formed when lava cools quickly. It is mostly dark-colored, glassy and shiny, having sharp edges. It is used for surgeries and ornamental purposes. 4. Pumice is another igneous rock that is formed from cooled lava froth. The lava froth contains a lot of gas. As it cools down, the gas is trapped inside. The gas pockets make pumice very light. It is light gray or cream-colored. It is used to scrub dead skin and dirt from body. Dentists also use powdered pumice to polish the teeth. Sedimentary rocks. Due to action of wind, water and weather, rocks break into smaller pieces like pebbles, sand, clay, etc. These are called sediments. Sediments are carried by rivers or streams to sea, where they begin to pile up and form layers. The sediments get pressed together and form solid rocks. These are called sedimentary rocks. 70% of all rocks on the earth are sedimentary rocks. Some common examples of sedimentary rocks are 1. Sandstone. It is the most common sedimentary rock. It is made from grains of sand cemented together. Sandstone may be yellow, pink, brown or red depending upon the mineral present in it. Sandstone takes its color from the cementing materials. It is used in buildings. Red sandstone has been used in making many monuments. 2. Limestone. It is formed from the shells and the skeletons of tiny sea creatures. Chalk is a very common type of limestone rock. Cement, bricks and glasses are made from limestone. 3. Mudstone. It is formed from mud that settles at the bottom of an ocean or lake. It is one of the softer sedimentary rocks. When wet, it smells like mud. It is used to make tiles and bricks. 4. Conglomerate. It is made up of sediments of lower layer like pebbles and sand. It is used in polishing ornaments and construction. Metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphic comes from the Greek words meta and morph, that means to change form. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have changed their form over time. They may be formed due to physical and chemical changes in igneous sedimentary or other metamorphic rocks themselves. These changes happen due to heat and pressure. Some common examples of metamorphic rocks are 1. Slate. It is formed from shell by the action of heat and pressure on it. It is very fine-grained and splits into thin flat layers very easily. It is very useful for roofing, for making pavements and for making blackboards. 2. Marble. It is formed from limestone. It can be polished and often has attractive patterns due to mineral impurities in the parent rock. It is used for making statues and in the flooring of houses. 3. Gneiss is a metamorphosed granite. It contains mica, which makes it shine. It has light and dark bands of different colors on its surface. 4. Quartzite was once a sandstone. It is too hard to be used as a building material, but statues are made out of it. It is also used as a gemstone and for making watches and glass. Minerals. All rocks are made up of substances called minerals. They are found naturally on the earth. They may be simple substances or very complex ones. Some are common while others are rare. Calcite, mica, gypsum are common minerals. Minerals are of two types. 1. Metallic minerals. 2. Non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, these are used for extracting useful metals like aluminum, iron, copper, gold, silver, etc. These metals are used in making jewelry, utensils, home appliances, etc. The minerals from which these metals are obtained are called ores. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Potassium, phosphate, oil, coal, petroleum, etc. are non-metallic minerals. Minerals like phosphate and nitrate are used as fertilizers, whereas coal, oil and petroleum are used as fuel. Fossil fuels. Fossils are remains of dead plants or animals that got buried millions of years ago and hardened with the passage of time in the earth. Fossil fuels are valuable minerals. Coal, crude oil and natural gas are known as fossil fuels. Over the years, the heat of the earth and the pressure of layers of mud and rocks slowly changed these remains into fossil fuels. Coal. Millions of years ago, the earth was covered with forests and swamps. As plants died, they gradually formed a thick layer of matter on the swamp floor. Because of high temperature and pressure, these dead plants converted into coal. Types of coal. Coal occurs in 4 different forms. 1. Peat. It was the earliest type of coal to be formed. It gives off much less amount of heat on burning. 2. Lignite. It is a soft and brownish black coal. It is also called brown coal. It makes the largest portion of the total coal reserves in the world. 3. Bituminous. It is black, hard and usually dull to glossy in appearance. It gives a lot of smoke on burning. 4. Anthracite. It is a shiny and hard coal. It is the best coal. It is nearly pure carbon and burns with great heat and little smoke. Uses of coal. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, for producing electricity, for moving engines, etc. It is used in making plastic, fertilizers and nylon, etc. Petroleum. It is also called crude oil or black gold. It was formed from sea plants and animals that died millions of years ago. These remains change into petroleum under the action of heat and pressure. It is a thick black liquid which is taken out from oil wells set up over oil reserves. Petroleum cannot be used in its natural state. It is refined and turned into petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG and other products in an oil refinery. Uses of petroleum. It is used as fuel in vehicles. It is used to make paints, fertilizers, cosmetics and medicines. Lubricating oil and printing ink are also made from it.